Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is yearly prediction of year 2024 for all the ascendant. In yearly prediction videos, we talk about only four planets. First of all, we talk about Jupiter. Secondly, we will talk about Saturn. And thirdly, we will talk about Rahu and Ketu because these four planets change their signs after a long duration of time. Saturn changes their sign after 2.5 years. Jupiter changed their sign after 1 year, and Rahu Ketu always change their sign after 1.5 years. So these are the four planets about which we will discuss in our yearly prediction videos for every ascendant. So first of all, we will talk about Aries ascendant. For all the Aries ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your first house, means Jupiter is right now moving in your ascendant. 12th house deal with your isolation, your foreign settlement matter is seen from 12th house, your losses, your expenses, your donations, your long-term investment is seen from 12th house, your long-distance travel also seen from 12th house, your dreams, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 9th house deal with your foreign travel related matter, 9th house deal with your religious matter, 9th house deal with your higher education, 9th house deal with your father, teaching your father is seen from 9th house, your teacher, your post-grade education is also seen from 9th house. So right now Jupiter is moving in your first house and Jupiter will stay in your first house in the sign of Aries till 1st May 2024. So after 1st May, Jupiter will move to your second house in the sign of Taurus. So till Jupiter is moving in your first house, we can expect great result regarding your growth related matter, regarding your luck related matter, because ninth house also deal with your luck related matter. If your work is somehow connected to consultation or guidance, then we can expect great result for you people in the year of 2024 till 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your first house, because ninth house deal with your prosperity. Jupiter represents prosperity also, and right now Jupiter is moving in your first house. Also Jupiter control your 12th house until 1st May. If you want to settle into some foreign land, then we can expect great result for you people. Also we can expect great result regarding the foreign investment related matter. Also we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter, because right now your 12th house lord is moving in your first house and Rahu is moving in the sign of Jupiter. We will talk about Rahu later, but right now in the section of Jupiter, Rahu is moving in the sign of Jupiter. That's why you need to be take care of your expenses till 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your first house. After 1st May, when Jupiter, your 9th house and 12th house lord will be moving in your second house, then we can expect great result regarding your finance related matter, regarding your finance from foreign land. Also we can expect good result regarding your family related matter, because after 1st May 2024 Jupiter will move to your second house. Second house also deal with your family, your money matter, your savings, your bank account, your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to your second house, then we can expect great result regarding your family related matter, regarding your money related matter, and we can also expect good result regarding your spirituality related matter if you are interested into some spirituality after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results from Jupiter for all the Aries ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about the aspects of Jupiter. Jupiter is right now moving in your first house. So from first house, Jupiter is aspecting your 5th house, 7th house and 9th house. So as you know, Jupiter aspect is the most beneficial aspect in astrology. So till 1st May 2024, Jupiter will aspect your 5th house, your 7th house, your 9th house. So we can expect great result regarding your 5th house related matter. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education. So regarding all of these matter, we can expect great result for you people till 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your first house. Secondly, Jupiter will also aspect your 7th house from first house. So we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business partnership if you have any business running. Also we can expect great result regarding your relationships in journal, because 7th house deal with all of these matters. If you are single right now, then we can expect good proposal for you people in the 2024 till the 1st May 2024, because Jupiter is right now moving in your first house, and Jupiter controls your ninth house and your 12th house, and 12th house also deal with foreign land. So we can also expect great proposal from foreign land for you people, for all the Aries ascendant people. Jupiter also aspect from your first house to your ninth house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your elders, lawyers, your travel related matters. So as we discussed previously, Jupiter is right now moving in your first house and control your ninth house. So ninth house deal with your travel related matter. So we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your father's health and your relationship with your father. Also, we can expect good result regarding your higher education and your consultancy related matter. If you are teacher, then we can expect great result for you people. If your work is somehow related to guidance or teaching, then we can expect wonderful result for you people in the year of 2024 till 1st May 2024. Now, after 1st May 2024, Jupiter will move to your second house. So, from second house, Jupiter will aspect your sixth house from its fifth aspect. So after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will aspect your sixth house from your second house, then we can expect great result regarding your competition related matter. You will able to defeat your enemies after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will aspect your sixth house, because sixth house will be your hidden enemies. Sixth house will be your court cases. Sixth house will be your competition. So in all of these matters, Jupiter will provide you support, and you will get great result regarding your sixth house related matter. Jupiter will also aspect your eighth house from your second house. Eighth house will be your unexpected gains, your in-laws related matter, your sexual activities, your secret researches is also seen from eighth house. Your unexpected gains, your sudden positive event and sudden negative event is also seen from eighth house. So when Jupiter will aspect your eighth house, then we can expect great result, because Jupiter is sitting in your second house, and from second house Jupiter is aspecting your eighth house. Eighth house will be your unexpected gains. So we can expect great result regarding your unexpected gains in the form of money. Also, we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter if you are married right now, because eighth house also deal with your in-laws related matter. Also, if you are doing some research about any topic in your life, then we can expect good result regarding your research related matter. Also, Jupiter will also expect your 10th house after 1st May 2024 from your second house. So after 1st May 2024, we can expect great result regarding your promotion related matter, regarding your increment related matter, and we can expect wonderful growth for you people regarding your work related matter and your fame related matter, because your 10th house lord is moving in your 11th house in its own sign, Saturn, and Jupiter will aspect your 10th house after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results from Jupiter for all the Aries ascendant people in the whole year of 2024. Jupiter will also turn into its retrograde motion after 9th October 2024 in your second house, and will stay retrograde till 4th February 2025. But we will discuss about the retrograde motion of Jupiter in separate video when Jupiter will about to turn into its retrograde motion. But right now, you just need to know that Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion in the month of October. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Aries ascendant people, Saturn controls your 10th house and your 11th house. And right now, Saturn is moving in your 11th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your fame is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, nature of your work is also seen from 10th house, and your personality along with first house is also seen from 10th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of achievement, in the form of respect. If all of these things is seen from 11th house, your elder brother and sister is seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now in the year of 2024, till the whole year of 2024, Saturn will stay in your 11th house. So in the year of 2024, we can expect you will have great result regarding your work related matter, because right now in the year of 2024, your 10th house lord is in a strong position in your 11th house, which also controls your 11th house. Means right now your 10th house lord is in a strong position in your 11th house. 11th house, as we discussed previously, 11th house will be your achievement. So we can expect great result regarding your growth in the year of 2023 for your work related matter, for your fame related matter. If you are a business person, then we can expect unexpected gains, because Saturn from 11th house also expecting your 8th house. From 8th house deal with your unexpected gains, your sudden gains seen from 8th house. That's why we can expect sudden gain in the year of 2024 for all the Aries ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. Saturn have three aspects. Number one, Saturn aspect from third places away from itself. Number two, Saturn aspect 7 places away from itself. Number third, Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. So from 11th house, Saturn is aspecting your first house. First of all, we should know aspects of Saturn is little bit of hard aspects as compared to other planets. Is the hard aspects. Saturn is the slow moving planet. Saturn cause delays. Saturn give restrictions. So where Saturn aspects, Saturn give restriction, delays regarding the houses on which Saturn aspects. So for Aries ascendant people from 11th house, Saturn aspect your first house, and also right now Jupiter is moving in your first house. That's why till 1st May, till Jupiter is moving in your first house, we can expect good result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your growth related matter. But Saturn is also aspecting your first house. But third aspects of Saturn from 11th house to your ascendant will make you hardworking, because third aspects of Saturn represent hardworking. So we can expect you will become very hardworking in the year of 2024, because Saturn is aspecting your first house. And after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to second house, from second house, Jupiter will aspect your 10th house, and your 10th house lord is also moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house, Saturn is aspecting your first house, your ascendant. That's why we can expect great result regarding your growth related matter, in your career, in your fame related matter, and your gains related matter, because after 1st May, Jupiter will also move to your second house in the house of money. Saturn also looks 7 places away from itself. So from 11th house, Saturn is also aspecting your 5th house. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early education is seen from 5th house, your children is seen from 5th house. So in the year of 2024, Saturn will aspect your 5th house from its 7th aspect. So you need to be take care of your relationship. There are chances you may have to face some delays, some restriction, and some frustration regarding your love relationship. And we can also expect you will face many disturbance regarding your love relationship if you have any love relationship. Also, if you have children, you need to be take care of the health of your children and your children's education related matter, because 5th house also deal with your education. And right now Saturn is affecting your 5th house. Also, if you are in education life, then you need to be concentrate on your education in the year of 2024 more, because Saturn is affecting your 5th house. And as we discussed previously, Saturn represents restriction. So Saturn will throw you some restriction regarding your 5th house related matter. So you need to be take care of your 5th house related matter in the year of 2024. Saturn will also aspect your 8th house from its 10 aspect from your 11th house. And 8th house, as we discussed previously, 8th house deal with longevity, your in-laws related matter, your secret, your research studies, and your unexpected gains is also seen from 11th house. Aspect of Saturn on your 8th house will be very beneficial for you, because 8th house is a naturally malefic house, and Saturn is also a naturally malefic planet, and Saturn is a slow moving planet. So aspect of Saturn on your 8th house will slow down your problems. So 8th house deal with your sudden negative event, and sudden positive event of Saturn will slow down your sudden negative event in your life. So we can expect great result and support regarding your 8th house related matter in the year of 2024 for all the Aries ascendant people. Saturn will also turn into its retrograde motion on 29 June 2024 and will stay retrograde till 15 November 2024. We will discuss about the retrograde motion of Saturn in separate video when Saturn will about to turn into its retrograde motion. But till now, just you need to know Saturn will turn into its retrograde motion in the month of June. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Aries ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your 12th house and Ketu is moving in your 6th house. So Rahu Ketu just moved from your first house and your 7th house to your 6th house and 12th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in our Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the whole year of 2024, Rahu will stay in your 12th house and Ketu will stay in your 6th house. So first of all, we will talk about Rahu. 12th house deal with your isolation, your foreign settlements, your expenses, your losses, your sleep pattern, your spirituality related matters. So in the year of 2024, Rahu will be moving in your 12th house. Rahu represents sudden changes. Rahu represents unexpected things. Rahu represents foreign things. Rahu represents disturbance. Rahu also represents quick intelligence. So when Rahu is right now moving in your 12th house, so we can expect two things. First, we can expect you will become more spiritual. In fact, Rahu will make you more spiritual and more extravagant in the year of 2024, because in the year of 2024, Rahu will be moving in your 12th house, in the house of expense, in the house of spirituality. So that's why we can expect Rahu will make you either extravagant or make you a spiritual person. So thirdly, we can expect Rahu may give you foreign travel in the year of 2024, because from 12th house we also see your foreign settlement and foreign travel, and Rahu is also a foreign planet. So we can expect these results. 12th house is also associated with your sleep, with your dreams. So there are chances Rahu can disturb your sleep pattern in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Ketu. For all the Aries ascendant people, Ketu is right now moving in your 6th house. And as you know, 6th house deal with your daily routine, your acute diseases, means your health is seen from 6th house, your conflicts, your arguments, your fights, your competitions, your hidden enemies, and your loans and your debt is also seen from 6th house. Ketu represents separation. Ketu represents stubbornness. Ketu is a naturally malefic planet. Ketu represents stubbornness. Ketu represents detachment. Ketu represents isolation. But Ketu performs very well in your 6th house. Sixth house beside only one thing, which is your health. Ketu may create some disturbance regarding your health related matter. But till 1st May 2024, Jupiter is moving in your first house. So till 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your health related matter. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your second house, so from second house, Jupiter will aspect your 6th house Ketu. So we can expect you will not face any difficulty regarding your health related matter because of Jupiter aspect after 1st May 2024, and also we can expect your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the year of 2024, because Ketu is right now transiting from your 6th house, and 6th house will be your hidden enemies. Also we can expect your court cases, litigation and argument. You will able to win your argument, you will able to win your competition, and you will able to get win your court cases in the year of 2024, because Ketu is moving in your 6th house, and Ketu, naturally malefic parent, perform very well in naturally malefic house. And as we discussed in our monthly prediction video, 6th, 8th and 12th house is considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Aries ascendant people. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people in the year of 2024, Jupiter is right now moving in your 12th house, Saturn is right now moving in your 10th house, Rahu is moving in your 11th house, and Ketu is moving in your 5th house. In yearly prediction videos, we only talk about these four planets because these are the planets which changes their sign in long duration of time. So first of all, we will talk about Jupiter. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 8th house and your 11th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Aries in the year of 2024. Jupiter will stay in your 12th house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May 2024, Jupiter will move to your first house in your ascendant. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Major transformation is seen from 8th house. Unexpected gains or unexpected loss is also seen from 8th house. Your sudden positive event, sudden negative event, your secret, your research studies, your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of achievement, in the form of respect. If all of these things is seen from 11th house, your PR, your network circle, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes, and your fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now in the year of 2024, your 8th house and your 11th house lord is right now moving in your 12th house. So we can expect in the year of 2024, you'll get great result regarding foreign travel related matter, foreign settlement related matter, because right now your 9th house lord and your 11th house lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with your spirituality related matter, and 8th house deal with your secret. So if you are into some research study or spirituality, then we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter, because right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house also deal with your expenses and losses. So and Jupiter represent expansion. So there are chances Jupiter may expand your losses and expenses in the year of 2024. Jupiter also controls your 11th house, and 11th house will be your siblings and your friend circle. So if your siblings and your friends are living in foreign land, then we can expect great result for them in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great result if you move from your birthplace to some different country in the year of 2024, because in the year of 2024 your 11th house and your 8th house, 11th house will be your gains. The gains lord is moving in the house of foreign land. Also your unexpected gains lord is also moving in your 12th house. So we can expect gains for you people from foreign land. After 1st May 2024, Jupiter will move from your 12th house to your 1st house, and 1st house means your ascendant. So then we can expect great result for your gains related matter, for your growth related matter, regarding your achievements in your life. Also we can expect great result regarding gains in life, because Jupiter 11th house lord will be moving in your 1st house, means in your ascendant, and Rahu is also moving in your 11th house, and Rahu in 11th house perform very well. You will get a lot of gains in the year of 2024, because Rahu is moving in your 11th house. Rahu will also expand your network circle in the year of 2024. But right now we are talking about Jupiter. So after 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 1st house, then we can expect great result for your growth related matter, for your personality related matter, regarding your unexpected gains. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. Jupiter has three aspects. Jupiter aspect 5th places away from itself, Jupiter aspect 7 places away itself, and Jupiter aspect 9 places away itself. So right now till 1st May 2024, Jupiter is moving in your 12th house. So from 12th house, Jupiter aspecting your 4th house. So for till 1st May, till Jupiter expecting your 4th house from your 12th house. That's why we were saying previously we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, regarding your foreign travel related matter, because Jupiter from 4th house, from the house of foreign land, expecting your homeland, your 4th house will be your home. So we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign land due to any reason. Jupiter also expects your 6th house from your 12th house. So aspect of Jupiter on your 6th house will be prove very beneficial for you regarding your court cases, regarding your competition, either it is a competitive exam or anything. Also we can expect good result regarding your hidden enemies related matter. Means your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the year of 2023, especially till 1st May, till Jupiter is moving in your 12th house, because from 12th house Jupiter is expecting your 6th house. Also 6th house will be your debt and your loan. You will be able to pay your loan back till 1st May 2024 in the year of 2024. Jupiter also aspects your 8th house from your 12th house, from its 9 aspect, and Jupiter also controls your 8th house. So we can expect great result in foreign land, as unexpected gains, sudden gains from foreign land for you people. Also we can expect, if you are interested into some research study or some spirituality, then we can expect great result regarding your spirituality related matter in the year of 2024. After 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to your 1st house, so from 1st house, Jupiter will aspect your 5th house from its 5th aspect. And right now, Ketu is moving in your 5th house. So before 1st May, you may have to face some difficulties regarding your 5th house related matter. But when Jupiter will come into your 1st house, and from 1st house, Jupiter will aspect your 5th house. 5th house also deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education. So regarding all of these matter, you will get great result and you will get relief regarding your problem because of Ketu you are getting. But aspects of Jupiter will prove very supportive and very beneficial for you after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will come to your 1st house. Jupiter will also aspect your 7th house from your 1st house. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership. So we can expect great result regarding all of these matter after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will move to your 1st house. Also, we can expect you a great result regarding your fame related matter if you are some public figure, because Jupiter will aspect from your 1st house to your 7th house. 7th house also somehow connected to your fame, because 7th house deal with your other people, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others. So we can expect great result regarding your 7th house related matter. If you are married right now, then we can expect great result after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will move to your 1st house regarding your marriage related matter. Also, if you are single, then we can expect good proposal in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024. Jupiter will also aspect your 9th house. 9th house deal with your foreign travel. 9th house deal with your long distance travel. 9th house deal with your 9th house also deal with your pilgrimages. 9th house deal with your higher education, your father, teachings of your father is seen from 9th house, your mentors, your lawyers, your second marriage. So also we can expect good result regarding your matter, regarding your pilgrimages matter. We can also expect you will get a chance to go on a pilgrimage in the year of 2024 after, especially after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will move to your 1st house, because from 1st house Jupiter will aspect your 9th house, and 9th house also deal with your religious matter. So Jupiter will expand your religious matter. Also, after 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 1st house, Jupiter represent expansion. So in simple word, Jupiter represent expansion. So Jupiter will come to your 1st house. 1st house represent you. So there are chances you will gain extra weight in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May. So you need to be also take care of your food intake habits in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people in the year of 2024 from Jupiter. Jupiter will also turn into its retrograde motion in the year of 2024 on 9th October 2024 and will stay retrograde till 4th February 2024. We will talk about the retrograde motion of Jupiter in separate video when Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion. But till now you just need to know Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion in the month of October. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Saturn controls your 9th house and your 10th house. And right now, Saturn is moving in your 10th house in its own sign. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father seen from 9th house, your teachers, your mentors, your second marriage, your long distance travel, your religious matter, and your religious inclination is seen from 9th house. 10th house deal with your work environment. Your nature of your work is also seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career, in your work is also seen from 10th house. Your fame, your achievement, your career is also seen from 10th house. So till the whole year of 2024, your 9th house lord will be moving in your 10th house in its own sign. Saturn performed very well in 10th house in the sign of Aquarius, because Aquarius is a Saturn's own sign. And also 9th house deal with your luck related matter, your achievements. So 9th house is also your luck related matter. So right now your 9th house lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter in the year of 2024. Also Saturn will make you hardworking, more responsible, and more concentrated towards your work, because Saturn is a slow moving planet. Saturn represent delays, Saturn represent restriction, but in the sign of Aquarius, Saturn will give you good results. So we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter, regarding your achievement at your workplace, because right now your 9th house lord is moving in your 10th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter if you are a public figure, because right now your 10th house lord is in a strong position. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As you know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third places away from itself, Saturn aspect seven places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. The aspects of Saturn will give you some hardship as well, because Saturn is right now sitting in its strong position. Saturn will give you good result regarding your 10th house related matter. But aspects of Saturn in transit always give you hardships and hard result, delays, restriction. So first of all, Saturn is expecting your 12th house. Right now, till 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your 12th house. So we can expect some stability, some support regarding your 12th house related matter. But after 1st May, you need to be take care of your sleep pattern, because from 10th house Saturn will aspect your 12th house, means your sleep pattern will, and so there are chances your sleep pattern may get disturbed in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move from your 12th house to your first house. Also, you need to be take care of your unnecessary thoughts, because from 10th house Saturn will aspect your 12th house, and 12th house also deal with your imagination. So Saturn may give you unnecessary and useless thoughts in the year of 2024 after 1st May 2024. From 10th house, Saturn will also aspect your 4th house. 4th house deal with your homeland, your physical home, your mother, your relationship of your mother is seen from 4th house, your property matter, your vehicle, your comfort in life, your convenience is also seen from 4th house. So when from 10th house, Saturn will aspect your 4th house, Saturn will give you some restriction, some hardship regarding your property related matter. You may have to face some delays, some restriction, and some hurdles regarding getting new properties. Is also you need to be take care of your mother's health and your relationship with your mother, because Saturn from 10th house expecting your 4th house. Also we can expect in the year of 2024 your emotion get disturbed time to time, because Saturn is expecting your 4th house, and your emotional state is also seen from 4th house. And Ketu is also moving in your 5th house, and 5th house will with your love relationship, your emotions, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend. So there are chances you may have to face some restrictions, some disturbance regarding your emotions related matter. Saturn will also aspect your 7th house from its 10th aspect. 7th house will be with your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership. So 10th aspect of Saturn to your 7th house will prove very beneficial for you regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business partnership, regarding your fame related matter. Because if we count from 7th house become the 10th house of the 10th house. So your work and your fame is somehow also seen from 7th house. That's why we can expect good result in the year of 2024 for your work related matter. So we can expect these results from Saturn for all the Taurus ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Rahu Ketu. Rahu and Ketu in the year of 2024 will be transiting your 11th house, and Ketu will be transiting from your 5th house. Rahu Ketu just moved from your 12th house and your 6th house to your 5th house and your 11th house after 30th October 2023. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is right now moving in your 11th house in the sign of Pisces. 11th house deal with your gains, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes, and your fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So as we discussed previously in Jupiter section, Rahu is right now moving in the sign of Jupiter, and Jupiter is right now moving in your 12th house. So till 1st May, till Jupiter, your 11th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. You need to be take care of your expenses and losses. After 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your friendship related matter, regarding your promotions related matter, regarding your achievement and your fulfillment of hopes and wishes. Rahu also make you popular in your society and your community, because Rahu give you immense fame in your 11th house, because 11th house also deal with your social network. Your socialism is seen from 11th house, and Rahu is foreign planet. Rahu explode everything. So Rahu will explode the significance of how in which Rahu is moving. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your 11th house related matter, regarding your socialism, regarding your friend circle. Your friend circle will increase in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter in the form of money. So we can expect these results from Rahu for all the Taurus ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Ketu. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Ketu is right now moving in your fifth house in the sign of Virgo. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your how smart you are, how genius you are is seen from fifth house. So right now Ketu represent detachment, isolation, separation. So if you are in education life, Ketu will separate you from your education due to any reason. Maybe will break or maybe due to some other reason. But Ketu may create some disturbance in your education life. Also, if you are in love relationship, you need to be take care of your love relationship, especially before 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving into 12th house, because after 1st May when Jupiter will move to your first house, from first house Jupiter will aspect Ketu in your fifth house, then we can expect some stability, some relief regarding all the problems related to fifth house which you are facing, because Jupiter is aspecting your fifth house then. So we can expect these results from Rahu Ketu for all the Taurus ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Gemini. In yearly prediction video, we only talk about four planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu, because these planets change their sign in a long duration of time. So first of all, we will talk about Jupiter. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 10th house and your 7th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 11th house in the year of 2024. Jupiter will stay in your 11th house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 12th house in the sign of Taurus. So till Jupiter is moving in your 11th house, Jupiter controls your 7th house and your 10th house. Now, 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationships, your fame, your your business, your partnership, your legal bindings, your legal commitment is from 7th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your reputation, your career, your bosses, your superior is seen from 10th house, and your how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 7th house and 10th house Lord is moving in your 11th house till 1st May 2024 in the year of 2024. So till 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your relationship, regarding your marriage related matter. If you're married right now, if you're single, then we can expect great and good proposal for you people, because your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house Jupiter is also expecting its own house from its 9 aspect, means your 7th house. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your relationship, regarding your business partnership, regarding your business related matter, and your fame related matter. Because because till 1st May 2024, your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, in the house of achievement, in the house of gain. Jupiter also controls your 10th house, and 10th house Lord is moving in your 11th house. So that's why we can expect great result for you people till 1st May 2024 regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter, regarding your career related matter, and you will also get some promotion and increment, good promotion and increment in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, your 7th house and 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house. So after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to your 12th house, then we can expect good result to travel related matter, because 7th house somehow connected to a foreign land. And after 1st May, your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, which is actual a foreign land house. So we can expect great result regarding your foreign travel related matter after 1st May 2024. Also, you need to be take care of your expenses and losses regarding your relationships, because you may expand on unnecessary thing in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024, because after 1st May, your 7th house, your relationship Lord will be moving in the house of expenses, in the house of losses. So you need to be take care of these matter. Also, your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house after 1st May 2024. 10th house will be your work, and 12th house will be your some foreign land, some foreign connection, your foreign investment, your donations, your spirituality related matter is seen from 12th house. So if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or you work in a some multinational company, or your work is somehow connected to export or import, then we can expect great result after 1st May, when your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, because Rahu is already moving in your 12th house, which represents foreign thing. And after 1st May, your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, in the house of foreign land, in the house of donations, in the house of long-term investment. If you don't have any connection regarding foreign land, export, import, etc., etc., then you need to be take care at your workplace after 1st May 2024, because Rahu is already moving in your 10th house. Rahu will give you support, but naturally Rahu is a malefic planet, so Rahu is moving in your 10th house. And after 1st May, your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, in the house of loss. So there are chances you may have to face some confrontation, some difficulties with your bosses at your workplace after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant people regarding Jupiter. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. As we know, Jupiter has three aspects. First of all, Jupiter aspect fifth places away from itself. Secondly, Jupiter aspect seven places away from itself. Thirdly, Jupiter aspect nine places away from itself. So right now, Jupiter is moving in your 11th house. So Jupiter is aspecting your third house from its fifth aspect. Third house deal with your communication. Your younger brother and sister is seen from third house. Your working ability, your hard working ability is seen from third house. Your hands, your handwriting, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, especially your communication and communication skills and your efforts is seen from third house. So Jupiter is expecting your third house till 1st May 2024. So we can expect great progress in your younger brother and sister's life regarding your friendship and communication related matter, because Jupiter is expecting from your 11th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your communication and your effort related matter. You will able to face many difficulties only with your communication, because Jupiter is expecting the third house till 1st May 2024. Jupiter will also aspect your fifth house from your 11th house till 1st May 2024. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your children, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So when Jupiter is expecting your fifth house, then we can expect great result regarding your children's health. If you have children, regarding their growth related matter. If you don't have children, you are in education life, then we can expect great result regarding your education, especially your early education. If you have love relationship, then we can expect great result before 1st May 2024 regarding your love relationship and girlfriend boyfriend related matter, because Jupiter is expecting your fifth house. Jupiter also aspect your seventh house from its ninth aspect. So seventh house deal with your relationship, your marriage, your business partnership, legal bindings, your commitment. So as we discussed previously, seventh house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and 11 and from house Jupiter is also expecting your seventh house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your business related matter, and your marriage related matter if you are married right now. If you are single, then we can expect great proposals, because 11th house from the house of achievement, from house of fulfillment of wishes. Jupiter is expecting your 7th house, your house of relationship, your house of marriage, your house of legal bindings. That's why we can expect great proposals for all the Gemini ascendant people which are singles in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Jupiter aspects till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 12th house, so from 12th house, Jupiter will aspect your 4th house, your 6th house, and your 8th house. 4th house deal with your for homeland, your mother, your relationship with your mother is seen from 4th house, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life is also seen from 4th house. So we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement matter, regarding your travel related matter, because after 1st May, when Jupiter, your 10th house Lord and your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house Jupiter will aspect your 4th house, and Ketu is already moving in your 4th house. Ketu represents separation and detachment, and 4th house denotes your homeland, and 4th house represents your homeland. So it is a clear indication you will definitely get a chance to travel foreign land in the year of 2024, and we can also expect good result for your foreign settlement credit matter if you want to settle in some foreign land. Jupiter also aspect your sixth house after 1st May 2024. So when Jupiter will aspect your sixth house, then we can expect great result regarding your competition, your court cases, and your hidden enemies related matter. Hidden enemies will be suppressed after 1st May 2024, because Jupiter, your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house, expecting your hidden enemy means your 6th house. That's why we can expect great result after 1st May regarding your 6th house related matter. Also, 6th house deal with your loans, your debt. So you will be able to pay your loans back after 1st May 2024 when Jupiter will aspecting your 6th house from your 12th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 8th house from its 9th aspect. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. So when Jupiter will aspect your 8th house, then we can expect good result regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your unexpected gains. We can also expect good result regarding your research studies, because 12th house also deal with secretive things, your hidden things. And from 12th house, Jupiter will aspect your 8th house, your hidden researches, your hidden studies related matter. So we can expect great result regarding your research studies if you are doing some research or some studies. Also, we can expect great result regarding your sudden positive event. You will get many positive and surprises in the year of 2024 unexpectedly, because 8th house deal with your unexpected event. But Jupiter is expecting your 8th house, that's why we can expect good result. So we can expect these results from Jupiter aspects in the year of 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Saturn controls your ninth house and your 8th house. And right now your 8th house Lord is moving in your ninth house in the year of 2024. Saturn will stay in your ninth house till the whole year of 2024. So right now your eighth house Lord is in a strong position and your ninth house is also in a strong position. So in the year of 2024, we can expect great result regarding your. You will encounter many foreign travel. You will encounter much interest in your religious activities and your religious knowledge, because Secrets Lord, House of Research Studies Lord is moving in your ninth house. Eighth house will be the researches, your secrets, your uh, hidden studies is seen from hidden education is seen from eighth house, and hidden studies researches Lord is right now moving in your ninth house. So we can expect great result regarding your post-grad education if you are in education life. Secondly, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter. You will encounter many chances in the year of 2024 regarding your travel related matter. Thirdly, we can expect great result regarding your teachers and your father's related matter, because right now Saturn, your ninth house Lord is moving in your ninth house. So we can expect good result regarding your eighth house and your ninth house related matter in the year of 2024. But aspects of Saturn will give you hardship. And as we know, Saturn will aspect third places from itself, seventh places from itself, and 10th places from itself. So right now, Saturn is moving in your ninth house. From ninth house, Saturn will aspect your 11th house from your third aspect. Jupiter is also moving in your 11th house till 1st May 2024, as we discussed previously in Jupiter section. So till 1st May, we can expect you will get good result. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your 11th house to 12th house, then Saturn will alone aspect your 11th house. So after 1st May, there are chances you will face some difficulties, some delays, some restriction regarding your friendship, regarding your gains related matter. But before that, till Jupiter is moving in your 11th house, then we can expect great result. Saturn will also aspect your third house from your ninth house. So third house deal with your younger brother and sisters, third house deal with your communication, third house deal with your efforts, third house deal with your hand and handwriting. So when Saturn will aspect, there are chances your younger brother and sister, especially after 1st May, because till 1st May Jupiter is also aspecting your third house. After 1st May, when aspect of Jupiter will remove from your third house, then Saturn will alone aspecting your third house. So after 1st May, you need to be take care of your younger brothers, sisters. There are chances they face many difficulties and restriction in their life regarding any matter. Also, you need to be take care of your communication related matter, because Saturn is aspecting your third house. Saturn will suppress your communication abilities in the year of 2024. Also, Saturn will aspect your sixth house from its 10th aspect. And right now, Saturn is moving in your ninth house. So, from 10th aspect of Saturn will be proved beneficial for you. So, there are chances your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the year of 2024, because Saturn from ninth house aspecting your sixth house. Also, we can expect some delays in your court cases. Also, we can expect some delays in your competition. You will get good result, but you have to face some delays and restriction. After that, you will get good result in your competition and your court cases. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. Rahu is right now moving in your 10th house and Ketu is moving in your 4th house. And Rahu Ketu just changed their sign after 30th October 2023. But in the year of 2024, Rahu will stay in your 10th house and Ketu will stay in your 4th house. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. Rahu is right now moving in your 12th house. Rahu gives very good result in 10th house, but Rahu also gives some disturbance, argument with your bosses and your superiors. So you need to be take care of these matters. Also, Ketu is moving in your 4th house. Ketu represents separation. Ketu represents detachment. And 4th house deal with your emotions. Your mother's health is seen from 4th house. Your homeland related matter and your travel related matter is somehow also seen from 4th house. So as we discussed previously in Jupiter section, after 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your foreign settlement related matter, because Ketu represents separation and Ketu may separate you from your homeland. Also, you need to be take care of your mother's health, because right now Ketu is moving in your 4th house and 4th house also represent your mother. So if so, you need to be take care of your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. There are chances your mother also may go on to some foreign land in the year of 2024 and you will get separate from your mother. Also, you need to be very careful when you are about to purchase new properties and vehicle in the year of 2024, because Ketu is moving in your 4th house. And I suggest you to postpone any deal regarding your properties and vehicle if you're about to do any deal in the year of 2024, because Ketu is moving in your 4th house. You will face difficulties when you are about to dealing regarding your properties and your vehicle. You will not get a good deal in the year of 2024. So it is good for you if you postpone, if you have any deal in your mind in the year of 2024 regarding your properties and your vehicle. So we can expect these results from Rahu Ketu in the year of 2024 for all the Gemini ascendant people. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 6th house and your 9th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aries. In yearly prediction videos, we talk about only 4 planets: Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu, because these are the planets which change their sign after a long duration of time. So, first of all, we will talk about discussed previously for all Cancer ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 6th house and your 9th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. 6th house deal with your court cases, litigation, arguments, fights, your strength to withstand your enemies, your hidden enemies also seen from 6th house. Your health related issues, especially your acute health issues is seen from 6th house. Your loans, your debt is also seen from 6th house. 9th house. 9th house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from 9th house, your religious matter, your religious inclination is seen from 9th house, your post-grad education, your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house and 6th house lord is moving in your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your fame in life is seen from 10th house. Your how far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. How much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house. So right now your 6th house and 9th house lord is moving in your 10th house. 6th house, 2nd house and 10th house is somehow connected to your work, because from 2nd house we see your earning, from 10th house we see your work, and from 6th house we see your daily routine in context of your work, where you go for work in your daily routine is seen from 6th house. So right now your 6th house lord is moving in your 10th house and 9th house also deal with your luck related matter. So 6th house and 9th house lords moving in your 10th house. So we can expect great result for your work related matter, for your growth in your career, for your authority in your life, for your fame related matter. If you are a public figure, then we can expect great fame in the year of 2024 for you people. Also, we can expect your sixth house deal with your debt, your loans. So right now your sixth house lord is moving in your 10th house, and from 10th house Jupiter is also expecting your sixth house, its own house. So we can expect you will able to pay your loans back in the year of 2024. So we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your status in your life, regarding your career related matter, and your work related matter. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. Jupiter always aspects three places away from itself. First, Jupiter aspects fifth places away from itself. Jupiter aspects seven places away from itself. And thirdly, Jupiter aspects nine places away from itself. So right, Jupiter will stay in your 10th house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 11th house in the sign of Taurus. So your sixth house and your ninth house lord will be moving in your 11th house after 1st May. Then we can expect great result regarding your promotions, regarding your achievement. Also, we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter in the form of money. 11th house also deal with your elder siblings, so we can expect great growth in their life, your elder siblings' life after 1st May 2024. Also, ninth house lord will be moving in your 11th house. Ninth house deal with your luck related matter. So when your ninth house lord will be moving in your 11th house, then we can expect great result regarding your luck related matter, great result regarding your fulfillment of wishes in the year of 2024, especially after 1st May 2024, because ninth house lord will be moving in your 11th house. Ninth house will be your luck related matter, and 11th house will be your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So we can expect great result in the year of 2024 from Jupiter for all the Cancer ascendant people. Now let's talk about the aspects of Jupiter. As you know, Jupiter has three aspects. Jupiter aspect fifth places away from itself, Jupiter aspect seven places away from itself, and Jupiter aspect nine places away from itself. So right now, Jupiter from your 10th house aspecting your second house from its fifth aspect. Second house deal with your money matter, your family lineage is seen from second house, your family history, your family values, your food intake habits, and your speech is also seen from second house. But basically your money matters, your wealth, your savings, your jewelry is seen from second house. So aspects of Jupiter will prove very beneficial to your second house in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May, because Jupiter is present in your 10th house till 1st May 2024. After 1st May, Jupiter will move from your 10th house to your 11th house. So till 1st May, till Jupiter is present in your 10th house, we can expect great result regarding your second house related matter, regarding your gains related matter. Also, we can expect some positive event in your family matter. Maybe some of your siblings 24, one of your family member, like your siblings, will get married in the year of 2024 because of aspects of Jupiter on your 7th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your money related matter in the year of 2024. Jupiter also aspect your 4th house from your 10th house from its 7th aspect. 4th house deal with your homeland, your peace in life is seen from 4th house, your mother, relationship of your mother is seen from 4th house, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life is also seen from 4th house. How much conveniences do you have in your life is also seen from 4th house. So when Jupiter is aspecting from your 10th house to your 4th house, then we can expect great result regarding your properties related matter. Also, we can expect great result regarding your comfort related matter. Also, we can expect you will get a chance to travel somewhere in the year of 2024, because especially maybe you will get a chance to travel somewhere in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May, because till Jupiter is moving in your 10th house, because Jupiter controls your 9th house. 9th house deal with your long distance travel, and from 10th house, Jupiter is expecting your 4th house, means your homeland. So we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign land, or may take you into different foreign trip in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May 2024. Jupiter also aspecting your sixth house, its own house from your 10th house from its ninth aspect. So sixth house deal with your court cases, argument, your litigations, your fights, your loans, your daily routine. Your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house. So aspects of Jupiter will prove very beneficial for you. You will able to pay your loans back in the year of 2024 if you are in debt right now. Also, we can expect your hidden enemies will be suppressed due to aspects of Jupiter on your sixth house in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024. Also, we can expect success in your court cases, in your competition in the year of 2024. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 11th house, so from 11th house, Jupiter will aspect your 3rd house. 3rd house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friend is seen from 3rd house, your mainly your communication, your efforts and your handwriting communication, your efforts and your younger siblings is seen from third house. So when after first May, when Jupiter from your 11th house aspect your third house, then we can expect great result regarding your younger brother and sister's life. Also, we can expect great result regarding your communication related matter. But Ketu, the year of 2024, Ketu is moving in your third house. So we can expect before 1st May 2024, you may some difficulties regarding your communication related matter, regarding your younger brother and sisters related matter, also your cousins related matter, because Ketu is moving in your third house. But after 1st May, when from 11th house Jupiter will aspect your third house, then we can expect relief regarding your communication related matter. You will able to communicate in a proper way after 1st May, because K2 create detachment. K2 will try to separate you from your communication ability. K2 will try to separate you from your cousins, neighbor. You may not like to talk much in the year of 2024 before 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. But after 1st May, when Jupiter move from your to your 11th house, so from 11th house Jupiter will aspect your third house Ketu, then we can expect some relief and some good result regarding your communication and your third house related matter. Jupiter also aspect your fifth house from your 11th house from its seventh aspect. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house. Your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities is also seen from fifth house. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 11th house to 5th house, then we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter. We can expect growth in their life if you have children right now. Also, we can expect great result regarding your studies related matter. If you are in college life, till college life education is seen from 5th house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will aspect from your 11th house to your 5th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 7th house from your 11th house from its ninth aspect. So when Jupiter will aspect your 7th house from its ninth aspect, then we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter. Those who are single in the year of 2024, we can expect great proposal for them after 1st May 2024. Also, if you are married right now, then after 1st May, we can expect great result regarding your marriage related regarding your business partnership. Also, we can expect great result regarding your get together related matter, because seventh house also deal with how you will meet others and how others meet you. So when Jupiter will aspect from your 11th house deal with your friendship, your get together, will aspect your 7th house. So we can expect great result regarding your get together related matter after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results from aspects of Jupiter in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Saturn controls your 7th house and your 8th house. And right now Saturn is moving in your 8th house in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. As we discussed previously, 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship. Because previously, 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship in journal is seen from 7th house, how you will meet others, how others perceive you is seen from 7th house, your legal matters, your legal bindings, your commitments, your business related matter, your business partnership, all types of partnership is seen from 7th house. 8th house deal with your secret activities seen from 8th house, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your major transformation is seen from 8th house. Your research activities, if you are in research, if you are doing some research due to any topic, due to any subject in your life, then we can also see from your is also seen from 8th house. Your sexual activities and your sexual relationship is also seen from 8th house. So right now your 7th house lord is in a strong position in your 8th house. 8th house also deal with your in-laws related matter. So if you are married right now, then we can expect great result for you people and your in-laws related matter in the year of 2024, because Saturn will stay in the year of 2024 in your 8th house and in its strong position. So we can expect great result regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your joint account with your spouse. If you are female and you have Cancer ascendant and you are watching this video, then we can expect great result regarding your joint account with your spouse after year of 2024, because right now your 8th house lord is in a strong position and 8th house deal with your joint account with your spouse. Also, we can expect Saturn will slow down your sudden negative event in your life, because right now 8th house is in a strong position. So Saturn will try to protect you from your negative sudden events in your life in the year of 2024. So we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your in-laws related matter from Saturn. But Saturn may give you some unnecessary fear regarding your 8th house related matter, because Saturn is naturally a malefic planet. Saturn represents fear, Saturn represents sorrow, Saturn represents restriction, Saturn represent boundaries. So natural quality of Saturn will be there. So Saturn will make you somehow fearful regarding your some issues in your life in your 8th house, because it's Saturn natural quality when Saturn is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect these results from Saturn for all the Cancer ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn third places from itself, Saturn aspects 7 places away from itself, and Saturn aspects 10 places away from itself. So from 8th house, Saturn is aspecting your 10th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. But the aspects of Saturn give you some delays, restriction regarding the house on which Saturn is aspecting in the year of 2024, because Saturn represents restriction and boundaries. So Saturn is aspecting from your 8th house to your 10th house. But right now Jupiter is moving in your 10th house till 1st May, as we discussed previously. So till 1st May we can expect you will not face some difficulty regarding your work related, but you will not fear, because Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your 10th house to 11th house, when Saturn will aspect your 10th house alone, and we can expect Saturn will give you some restrictions, some boundaries at your workplace. Saturn will make you fearful regarding your job related matter and your superior and your bosses, because third aspect of Saturn from 8th house to 10th house work in such manner. Saturn will also aspect your second house from your 8th house. So as we discussed previously, if you are married right now, then we can expect great result regarding your joint account related matter, because Saturn is right now in its own sign, and from 8th house Saturn is aspecting your second house, and also Jupiter is aspecting your second house till 1st May from your 10th house. So we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your saving related matter. You will able to save a lot of money in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024, till Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. Saturn will also aspect from your 8th house to your 5th house, deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, etc. etc. So when Saturn from your 8th house, from its own sign, aspecting your 5th house, then we can expect great result regarding your love relationship, because 8th house is 4 places away from 5th house. Means 8th house is the piece of 5th house, conveniences of 5th house. So 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your fun activities, your early education. So we can expect great result regarding all of these matter in the year of 2024, because and Saturn aspect on your 5th house in the year of 2024. So when Jupiter will move to your 11th house, from 11th house Jupiter will also aspect your 5th house along with Saturn. So we can expect great result after 1st May regarding your love relationship, regarding your children's related matter, regarding your growth in your education if you are in early education right now. So we can expect these results from the aspects of Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Cancer ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your 9th house and Ketu is moving in your 3rd house. Rahu Ketu just moved from your 10th house to your 9th house, and Ketu is just moved from your 4th house to your 3rd house after 30th October 2023. But in the year of 2024, till the whole year of 2024, Rahu will be present in your 9th house and Ketu will be present in your 3rd house. First of all, we will talk about Rahu. So right now, Rahu is moving in your 9th house. 9th house, as we discussed previously, 9th house deal with your foreign travel. 9th house deal with your religious matter. Your father, teachings of your father is seen from 9th house. Your religious matter, your religious inclination, your teachers, your mentors, your advisor, and your lawyers, and your second marriage is also seen from 9th house. So when Rahu is moving in your 9th house, then we can expect in the year of 2024 you will get a chance to travel a lot in the year of 2024, because Rahu also represent travel, foreign thing, and 9th house represent long distance travel. And right now Rahu is moving in your 9th house, so we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter. Also, Rahu will may make you more religious in the year of 2024, because 9th house deal with religious activity and Rahu will explode everything. So Rahu is right now moving in your 9th house, so we can expect Rahu will make you more religious, more philosophical, and more towards your higher education in the year of 2024. Also, ninth house will be your father and teachings of your father. So Rahu may create some disturbance with your father in the year of 2024. So you need to be take care of these matter in the year of 2024 regarding your ninth house related matter. Now let's talk about Ketu. Ketu is right now moving in your third house. And as we discussed previously in Jupiter section, third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friends, and your efforts seen from third house, etc., etc. So when Ketu is moving in your third house, you may feel some disturbance regarding your communication. You may not want to communicate aloud in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May, till Jupiter is not aspecting your third house. Because Ketu is alone moving in your third house, so we can expect some disturbance in your communication related matter. You will not like to talk much in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May 2024. Also, we can expect your younger brother and sister may feel some disturbance and may get some disturbance and get some disturbance in their life, especially before 1st May, till Jupiter is not expecting your third house. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 11th house, from 11th house, Jupiter will aspect your third house, then we can expect some relief regarding your third house related matter. So, we can expect these results in the year of 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Leo Ascendant. For in yearly prediction videos, we only talk about four planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, because these are the four planets which change their sign after a long duration of time. So first of all, we will talk about Jupiter. Jupiter, for all the Leo Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your fifth house and your eighth house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your ninth house. Fifth house deals with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house, your fun activities, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, and all the related matter is seen from fifth house. Eighth house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your in-laws related matter, your joint account with your spouse, your transformation in life, your secret activity, and your sexual activity is also seen from 8th house. So right now your 5th house and 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house. First of all, we can expect great result regarding your education related matter, because 9th house will with your higher education and 5th house deal with your early education, right? So right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 9th house in the year of 2024, so we can expect great result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life. Secondly, if you have children, then we can expect great result and growth in your children's life in the year of 2024. Also, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship. If you have a strong love relationship, then we can expect your love of 2024, especially before 1st May, because before 1st May, Jupiter is moving in your 9th house. We can expect your relationship may convert into your marriage if you want to convert this relationship into marriage, because right now your 5th house lord, your love relationship lord, is moving in your 9th house, and 9th house deal with your love related matter. Also, 9th house deal with your long distance travel and foreign travel is seen from 9th house. So when your 5th house lord is moving in your 9th house, then we can expect if your children is in education life and you want to send them into some foreign land, then we can expect great result regarding these matter, because right now your 5th house lord, your children's lord, is moving in the education house. So we can expect these results. Also, presence of Jupiter in your 9th house will make you more religious and more spiritual and more philosophical in the year of 2024. You will get great gains from your father, from your teachers, and you will have great relationship with your teachers, elders, and your guiders and your lawyers in the year of 2024. You will get a lot of support, because Jupiter also represents support and guidance, and right now moving in your ninth house. And Jupiter, so we can expect great result regarding your ninth house related matter till 1st May 2024, because Jupiter is moving in your ninth house till 1st May. After 1st May, Jupiter will move to your 10th house in the timeline of Taurus. So when Jupiter will move to your 10th house, we can expect great result and growth in your career, because 5th house also deal with your recognition. And right now your 5th house lord will be in your 10th house, and 10th house also deal with your fame related matter, your work related matter. Also, 10th house will be your authority in life, your job, your career is seen from 10th house. So we can expect great growth at your workplace. You may get some promotion and increment, and good increment and promotion after 1st May 2024, when Jupiter will move to your 10th house. Because Jupiter also controls your 8th house. 8th house deal with unexpected gain and sudden gain. And so when Jupiter will move to your 10th house after 1st May, we can expect you will suddenly get some promotion, some increment at your workplace, and good result regarding your fame related matter in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results from Jupiter for all the Leo Ascendant people in the year of 2024. Now let's talk about aspects of Jupiter. So right now Jupiter is moving in your 9th house. As we know, Jupiter has three aspects. Jupiter aspect 5th places away from itself, Jupiter aspect 7th places away from itself, and Jupiter aspect 9th places away from itself. So from 9th house, Jupiter aspecting your first house. So aspects of Jupiter on your first house will prove very beneficial for you in the year of 2024 till 1st May, till Jupiter is moving in your 9th house. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall health, your overall fundamental nature is seen from first house, and overall aspects of life in general is seen from first house. So when Jupiter expecting from your 9th house to first house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, because Jupiter from your 9th house, from the house of travel, is looking to your first house, means looking to you. So we can expect Jupiter may take you into foreign trip in the year of 2024 before 1st May. Also, we can expect great result regarding your looks related matter, regarding your personality related matter. You may start workout in the year of 2024, especially till 1st May, because right now Jupiter is expecting your first house. So it will prove very beneficial for your health related matter. Also, from your first house, Jupiter is expecting your third house from its seventh aspect. Third house will be your communication, your younger brother and sisters, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, and your efforts is also seen from third house. So when Jupiter is expecting from your 9th house to your third house, we can expect great result regarding your younger brother and sister's life. Also, we can expect growth in their life. Also, we can expect Jupiter will enhance your communication ability in the year of 2024, because Jupiter is expecting your third house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter. You will put your effort in the right way, because Jupiter from the house of guidance, and Jupiter also represent guidance and expecting your third house. So you will get good guidance and great guidance in the year of 2024 till Jupiter is moving in your 9th house. Jupiter will also aspect your 5th house, means its own house, your own sign. So we can expect great result till 1st May regarding your love relationship, regarding your education, as we discussed previously. Also, if you have children, then we can expect growth in their life, because of aspects of Jupiter. So we can expect great result from the aspects of Jupiter in the year of 2024. After 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 10th house. So from 10th house, Jupiter will aspect your second house from its fifth aspect. And right now, Ketu is moving in your second house. To make it some disturbance regarding your second house related matter. Second house deal with the speech, your family, your money matter, your food intake habits, etc. etc. is in from second house. So when Ketu is moving in your second house, where you were facing some difficulties in saving money regarding your money related matter, you may face some unexpected expenses and losses before 1st May 2024 till Jupiter is moved to your 10th house, because after 1st May, when Jupiter will move to your 10th house, Jupiter will aspect your second house Ketu. So we can expect some relief regarding your money related matter, regarding your expenditure related matter. Jupiter will try to support your aspect on your second house. Ketu will try to save you after 1st May 2024 regarding your second house related matter. Jupiter will also aspect your 4th house from your 10th house after 1st May. So when Jupiter will aspect your 4th house, we can expect great result regarding your mother's health, regarding your relationship with your mother. Also, we can expect great result regarding your properties and conveniences in your life, because 4th house will be the conveniences, your vehicles and your properties. Also, we can expect after 1st May, you may get a chance to move from your house to some different, means some good house, because Jupiter will aspect your 4th house, and 4th house will be the home, your physical home where you live. So we can expect great result regarding your home related matter. You may start some renovation in your home in the year of 2024. Jupiter will also aspect your sixth house from your 10th house. Sixth house deal with your court cases, litigation, arguments, your hidden enemies, your debt, your loan, your daily routine. So when Jupiter will aspect your sixth house from your 10th house, we can expect your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the year of 2024 after 1st May. Also, we can expect good result regarding your court cases, regarding your competition and your debt related matter. You will able to pay your loan back in the year of 2024 after 1st May 2024. So we can expect these results from Jupiter aspects in the year of 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Saturn. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Saturn controls your sixth house and your seventh house. And right now, your sixth house Lord is moving in your seventh house in its own sign. Saturn will stay in your seventh house till the whole year of 2024 because Saturn will stay in one sign for 2.5 years. So Saturn will stay in your seventh house, sixth house, as we discussed previously. Sixth house will be your court cases, litigation, argument, fights, your disturbance in life, your hidden enemies. Your daily routine is also seen from sixth house in the context of your work. Seventh house will be your marriage, your relationship in general is seen from seventh house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you is seen from seventh house. Your fame is also seen from seventh. Your fame is also seen from seventh house along with 10th house. Seventh house also deal with your business partnership. So right now your sixth house Lord and seventh house Lord is moving in your seventh house. So we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. Your marriage will be stay. Your marriage will not break, but Saturn may give you some dissatisfaction regarding your relationship and your spouse if you have a spouse right now, because it is a natural quality of Saturn. Saturn is a naturally malefic parent. But your marriage will be but your marriage will be safe. Your marriage will not break in the year of 2024 because Saturn is a slow moving planet. So Saturn will slow down all the negative process regarding your seventh house related matter in the year of 2024. So we can expect these results for your seventh house related matter. Also, sixth house will be the conflict. Your conflict lord is moving in your seventh house, so you may have to face some conflict, some argument with your spouse regarding Saturn, with your spouse and your business partnership in the year of 2024, because sixth house deal with such thing. And right now your sixth house lord is moving in your seventh house. You may face some argument and opposition of point of view with your spouse and your business partnership because your sixth house lord is moving in your seventh house. Saturn is in a strong position in your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius. That's why we can expect your marriage will be is your well that's why we can expect your marriage will not break. You will face some dissatisfaction and argumentation and different and opposition of point of view with your spouse and your partner. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about aspects of Saturn. As we know, Saturn has three aspects. Saturn aspect third places away from itself, Saturn aspect seven places away from itself, and Saturn aspect 10 places away from itself. Now from your seventh house, Saturn is aspecting your ninth house. Ninth house deal with your teachers, your religious matter, your father, teaching to your father is seen from ninth house, your long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your second marriage, your legal matters, your second marriage, your lawyers, your religious inclination, and your long distance travel is seen from ninth house. So when Jupiter Saturn is expecting your ninth house, but till first May Jupiter is also moving in your ninth house, so we can expect you will not get some restriction and boundaries regarding your ninth house matter in the year of 2024 till 1st May. But after 1st May, when Jupiter will move from your ninth house, so Saturn will alone aspecting your ninth house. So Saturn will alone aspecting your ninth house after 1st May. So we can expect you may face some difficulties, so you may face some disturbance regarding your father related matter because third aspect of Saturn represent efforts and disturbance. And right now your Saturn is aspecting your ninth house, and ninth house deal with your father. Also we can expect you will face some difficulties regarding your higher education related matter after 1st May when Jupiter will move from your ninth house to your 10th house. Jupiter Saturn also aspecting your first house from your seventh house from its seventh aspect. So first house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life. Jupiter will also aspect your first house till 1st May from your ninth house. So we can expect you will get growth. So we can expect you will get good result regarding your first house related matter. Aspects of Saturn and Jupiter, both the planets are looking at your first house. So Saturn will make you focus and Saturn will make you focus and hardworking because of Saturn is affecting your first house, and Jupiter will give you blessing and support and growth in your life. So we can expect great result regarding your first house related matter. So regarding your first house related matter, Saturn will Saturn will also aspect your fourth house from Saturn will also aspect your fourth house from your seventh house from its tenth aspect. Fourth house will be your mother, your home, your properties, your vehicle. So after 1st May, when Jupiter and Saturn, both the planets will be aspecting your fourth house, then we can expect good result regarding your property related matter. Your property will be increased in the year of 2025. Maybe you will purchase or buy some property, and you will purchase and buy some property, or you will get and unexpectedly you will get some properties and gain because Jupiter also controls your 8,000. 8,000 will be unexpected gains. And after 1st May, Saturn and Jupiter, both the planets will be expecting your fourth house. So we can expect unexpectedly, suddenly you will get some properties and good result regarding your fourth house related matter because of Saturn and Jupiter both depend because double aspects of Saturn and Jupiter on your fourth house. So we can expect these results from Saturn in the year of 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Rahu and Ketu. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Rahu is right now moving in your Rahu is right now moving in your 8,000. Ketu is moving in your second house. Rahu is just moved from your ninth house to your 8th house after 30th October 2023 and will stay in your 8th house till the whole year of 2024. Rahu represent foreign thing. Rahu represent unusual thing. Rahu represents sudden changes. Rahu represent unexpected thing. 8th house also deal with unexpected thing. 8th house deal with sudden event, longevity, chronic diseases. So Rahu is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you may get into a you may get into some unexpected relationship in the year of 2024 because of Rahu is moving in your 8th house. Rahu may give you unnecessary fear regarding your 8th house related matter because Rahu 8th house will be your fears, and Rahu is right now moving in your 8th house. So Rahu may give you some unnecessary fear in the year of 2024 because because Rahu create disturbance regarding the house in which Rahu is moving. So we can expect we can expect these results from Rahu. But Rahu in 8th house is good for your research studies, for your hidden studies. If you are interested into some astrology, tarot card, or some hidden studies, or if you are interested into some hidden studies, some tarot card, etc., so we can expect some great result for you people because of Rahu present in your 8th house, because 8th house also deal with hidden studies, hidden things, and Rahu loves to explore hidden things. And right now Rahu is moving in your 8th house, so we can expect great result regarding your research related matter also. Now let's talk about Ketu. Ketu is moving in your second house, and second house deal with your money matter, your speech, your food intake habit, and your family matter. Ketu may separate. Ketu may give you some disturbance regarding your money related matter. Try not to save a lot of money in the year of 2024, especially before 1st May, till Jupiter is not expecting your second house Ketu, because Ketu will give you some and because if you try to save money in the year of 2020, because if you try to save a lot of money in the year of 2024, Ketu will give you unexpected expenditure because Rahu Ketu is moving in second and 8th axis, and Ketu represent losses, and Ketu is right now moving in your 8th house. So Rahu and Ketu is one thing. So Ketu may give you unexpected loss. So Rahu may give you unexpected expenditure in the year of 2024 if you try to save a lot of money. Also, we can expect you may face some also we can expect you may face some disturbance regarding your family related matter before 1st May. But after 1st May, You will get support, you will get good result regarding your family related matter and all the matter which and and good result regarding all the matter which we have just discussed regarding your second house Ketu. So we can expect these results for we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people in the year of 2024.